What is that sound? The tree is falling! Run, Laylee, run! Ow! Hi, Dad. How are you?
Hello, my sweet Lily. I am very good.
When are you coming home? I miss you so much.
I miss you too. I have great news. My work here is finished. Today is the last day.
Really? Are you coming back today?
Yes. I will take the airplane this afternoon. I will be home before dinner.
Yay! That is wonderful. Mom will be very happy.
I am buying a big present for you. See you tonight, Lily.
See you tonight, Dad. I love you. Oh no! Look, Mom! The table is very clean now.
Good job, Lily. You are a fast cleaner.
I want everything to be perfect. Today is a special day.
Yes, it is. We are having a big dinner together.
Can we have pasta for dinner? Dad loves your pasta.
Of course, dear. We will have pasta and salad.
I will put these yellow flowers here. Yellow is like the sun. It makes me happy.
Yellow is a beautiful color. It looks great on the table. Mom?
Why is your face so white? Are you okay?
I am fine, Lily. I have a small headache. It is okay. Your voice sounds strange, Mom. Are you cold? A little bit. New York is very cold today.
Wait! I will get a sweater for you. My pink sweater is very warm.
Thank you, Lily. But I need to finish the cooking.
Mom, you have a fever.
Dad is coming home soon. I need to get up.
No, Mom. Please sit down on the sofa. I can help. I can wash the vegetables.
Okay, just for 5 minutes. You are a very brave and helpful girl.
Oh, your hands are very cold, Mom, like ice.
Don't worry, honey. I will be better soon. Let's wait for Dad together.
Lily, can you hear me? The signal is bad.
Yes, Dad, I can hear you. Are you at the airport?
Lily, I have bad news. The rain is too big. The plane is not flying. All flights are canceled. I am so sorry, honey.
Oh, so you are not coming for dinner?
I am trying to find a train or a taxi, but it is very difficult. Lily, tell me, is everything okay? Is Mom okay?
If I tell Dad, he will worry too much. I must be brave. I can take care of Mom.
Yes, Dad. Everything is fine. Mom is sleeping now. We are waiting for you.
Are you sure? You sound sad.
I am just a little tired, Dad. Please come home safely. New York is very rainy.
I promise. I will find a way. I love you, Lily.
I love you too, Dad. Goodbye. Mom, the pasta is ready. Please wake up and eat. Oh, you are too hot. You need medicine right now.
Oh no! Empty! The bottle is empty. There is no medicine left. The pharmacy is down the street, but it is very dark outside. The rain is very heavy. I am very scared of the thunder. I want to stay inside, but Mom is in pain. She is very sick. I love my mom. I cannot stay here and do nothing. I must buy the medicine.
No one is answering. This is not normal. Something is wrong at home. I can feel it. Excuse me. Can you drive to New York? No way, sir. The storm is too big. The roads are very dangerous. Please, New York! I need to go right now! Sorry, the weather is too bad. I am going home. Please, sir, wait! Please help me!
The weather is very bad, sir. It is not safe to drive to New York tonight.
My wife is very sick. My little daughter is alone. The phone is dead. They need me. I will pay you double. I will pay you anything. Please!
Get in.
Really, thank you!
I am a father too. I understand. But we will drive slowly.
Thank you so much!
Green is go. Dad says be careful when you cross the street.
What is that sound? The tree is falling! Run, Laylee, run! Ow! Lily, where are you? Oh no, my baby, she is outside in the storm.
Hello? Honey, are you okay?
Where are you? Why are you not home?
I am in a taxi. The rain is very heavy. What is wrong?
Lily is not at home. She went to the pharmacy. She is buying medicine for me in this big storm.
What? In this storm? Oh my God!
She is too small. The city is dangerous. Please help our baby.
Do not cry. Stay in bed. I will call Jack, Buck's dad. He lives near our house. He will find her. Do not worry. Do not worry. I will bring her home safely.
Dad, the rain is very heavy. Please be careful.
Do not worry, son.
Hello, sir. Please help me.
Oh my God! A little girl? In this big storm? Where are your parents?
I am alone. My mom is at home. She is very sick. She has a big fever. The medicine bottle is empty.
You walked here alone? In the heavy rain?
Yes. Please, I need fever medicine for my mom.
Oh no! Look at your knee! It is bleeding! You are hurt!
Here is a nice band-aid for you. Now the knee is safe.
Thank you, sir.
The storm is too dangerous. Please stay inside. Wait for the rain to stop.
No, thank you, sir. My mom is very sick. She needs this medicine now. I must go home.
Hello, Lily. I am here to take you home.
Uncle Jack.
Put on this helmet, little hero. Let's ride.
Okay.
Oh, thank goodness. Be safe out there.
Mom! Lily! Mom, I am home! Oh, Lily, my baby, you are safe!
Look, Mom, I have the medicine for you.
You are so wet and cold. Thank you, my sweet girl.
Jack, thank you. Thank you so much for bringing her home.
You have a very brave daughter. She is a little hero tonight.
Goodbye, Uncle Jack. Tell Buck I say thank you.
I will, Lily. Go inside and take care of your mom. Goodbye.
Here is the medicine, Mom. Drink it with warm water. Thank you, my little angel. Does your head still hurt? It is better now. The medicine is working. You saved me tonight, Lily.